Good morning all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra. Today going to revision of the chapter 1 class 7 number system in which all the important topics and question answer I have discussed. Today going to revise the MCQ question of this chapter. Question number first कि dash introduce the concept of the zero. Zero का concept किसने introduce किया था? Answer is Aryabhat. Second question. A dash converts the decimal format into binary equivalent. वह कौन सा कन्वर्टर है जो डेसिमल फॉर्मेट को बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करता है? आंसर इज डिजिटल कंप्यूटर. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, ए कंप्यूटर अंडरस्टैंड ओनली द बाइनरी लैंग्वेज कोड्स. फोर्थ, इन बाइनरी मल्टीप्लीकेशन 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. And fifth question, to convert decimal number into binary number, divide the number by 2. This is the MCQ of chapter first. Now second chapter, using Excel as a database. In this chapter, MCQ, which among the following features is used to filter the data in multiple fields using a specified criteria? Answer is advanced filter. Second, which button under the data tab is used to remove the duplicate value from one or more column? Answer is remove data. And third question, which features in a database provide an easy way to enter, modify and view one record at a time? Answer is form. And fourth chapter, which features help you to display only those records that meet the specified criteria? Answer is filter. And which features allow us to arrange the given data according to a particular field, either in ascending or descending order? Answer is sort. And now third chapter, advanced features of Excel. In this chapter, MCQ is, which features is used to determine the input value needed to achieve a specific goal? Answer is goal seek. And second question, what are the heading given to x-axis and y-axis known as axis title? And third question, which chart type display the data in the form of a circle? Answer is pie. And fourth question, which features function key used to insert the chart instantly in the worksheet? Answer is F11. And which key used to group multiple worksheet? Answer is shift. And sixth question, the mini chart that fit into a single worksheet cell to provide the visual representation of the data is known as sparklines. These are the MCQ of the chapter 3. Now log on to animate chapter 4. In this chapter, MCQ, what are the little rectangle cells that appears on the timeline called frame? And which one of the following shortcut key used to insert a frame? Answer is F5. And which shortcut key do you use to display the document setting dialog box? Answer is Ctrl+J. And fourth question, which panel acts as a storehouse of the symbol in a animate? Answer is library. And fifth question, which shortcut key used to play the animation in a animate? Answer is Ctrl+Enter. And for sixth question, what is the file extension of animate? Answer is .fla. These are the MCQ of the chapter 1, 2, 3, 4. Next day I will continue discussing with the rest question. Thank you. Have a nice day.